Launching a new project and need a stunning website fast? Meet Unicorn Platform, where creating your dream site is just a few clicks away. Start by choosing a template that matches your project's vibe. Once you have found the perfect one, preview it to ensure it aligns with your vision. Ready to roll? Click Create Website from this template and let the magic begin. Now, let's harness the power of AI. Click AI-generated content and type in a prompt describing your product. In moments, Unicorn Platform transforms your words into a fully fledged website. It's that simple. Preview it. Need to refine the details? Begin by editing your logo. Just type in your logo text. Click Ask AI, hit Improve Writing, and watch as the platform perfects every word. Adjust the tone with ease. Unicorn Platform's AI has you covered. Now, let's make it truly yours. Change up the testimonial section style to better match your brand, or upload a background image that speaks to your project's essence. You can even add a touch of personality with emojis, or tweak the layout for a more engaging experience. It's all about making it yours. Save your changes and hit Open Page to take your new site for a spin. This is your project, brought to life by AI, faster than ever. Try Unicorn Platform today and create your website in minutes. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos.